What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we're on the way to the racetrack. Got Milton over here. We've been sitting in the car here for probably about 30 minutes. We are currently on the interstate. I was late. Milton was early. I was late. And so if I would have been on time, like I was supposed to have been, we would already be through this crap. But apparently there's a crash or something. I couldn't get off the highway in time. So we are dead stop. Randy is at the track. He's just getting to the track. And it's now 7:30. They're gonna test all night, but I don't know if we might not be able to get to the track. We still have no idea what's happening. 4-wheel drive, state trooper. He's got a long ways to go. We are moving. How long did it say it was gonna take us to get to the track?
Hour and 59 minutes.
Hour and 59 minutes. And that was, the track is literally like 20 miles away. So, but we do have a beautiful sunset over there. Okay, that really didn't last long. We moved about 30 feet. So now 8:04, he just popped his air brakes off. So now we've been sitting for about an hour and we've moved 30 feet. All right, boys, we rolling now. Well, 301 over there is packed. They must have got it completely cleared because now we are rolling. We were about to go live. I had it up, about to get live, and Bill was like, we moving. So 8:10, that was a little bit over an hour. I don't guess we can complain. All right, we'll be at track in a minute. All right, guys, we made it. Randy's been here for about 2 hours. Sorry, Randy. People were outside the car. Apparently there was a motorcycles and a transfer truck. There was a crash. I don't know if anybody got killed or not, but it sucks. All right, so the car rode good down here. Everything worked good. No problems. Truck pulled the car and trailer awesome. The load levelers really help. I don't think Randy thought so too when we pulled up. We think, you know, the way the car is sitting here and the way we got it loaded with the load levelers, we think it's actually not squatting the Excursion as much. Now, I don't have a way to measure the tongue weight, but we think we're in pretty good shape. Pulls like a freaking dream. All right, so they got a impromptu little cash days, like $50 buy-in, I think they said. I don't know how many cars are gonna be up here, but this is the burnout pad back here. And this is smooth asphalt. So this is gonna be probably a lot faster than what we need to test for. But we'll get into little cash days, and we'll go from back here. And then what I'm more interested in is rolling out down here. Milton, just what you said, left lane's better. So, oh yeah. So for the cash days, oh yeah, we got our shocks on, it's pretty soft. But look, somebody's already been out here. This right here is what we need to test on. So look, after the race, we're gonna roll out here and make a couple passes. We'll do the burnout back there in the back and then just roll up here, you know, so we don't mess up anything. Cause I'm just trying to get it. I mean, this is similar to Darlington.
Raise your hand, drivers.
That fucker's banned. He done raised my shit 2 times already.
Where's the buy-in? What do y'all want to do? $100 buy-in? That good with everybody?
$100 is fair.
$50 works.
Y'all see my pass.
$50, $100. What y'all want to do? Talk to me. Come on.
50. Okay, we'll do 50.
We'll do 50. Do 50 buy-in. I mean, like I said,
Are they putting
I just
anything
wanna
on
see
it? I mean, that kind of. Are y'all putting anything on it, or if we do 50, you know what I'm saying? I'm just asking. I don't care either way. My pass look like assholes, so I don't give a shit. I'm just here to put it.
That's all I was here to test too. So $50 is fine with me.
50 good?
Fi- 50 good with everybody?
We'll do $50 buy-in.
Cheap buy-in, $500 purchase. Can't beat that.
Red card, right lane, black card.
June 11th and 12th. What you doing?
No prep other end.
From the other
run
side?
with your brum and small tire and street car. Okay, right here.
I ain't got one left, bro. I'm gonna have to talk to Block and let it long me.
All right, here we go. Drawing red right. We're running in car order you pull to.
You had the buy run, crazy. You should have been last. You should have pulled last. Crazy ass.
How many cars we end up with? 12?
He should have pulled last. Hey, we got one car. One car. Everybody got a car.
What's the buy?
There's no buy.
Oh shit!
Try to get to day one.
Whatever numbers are on the card, that's the order we're running in. Aces serves is 1.
16
1, 2,
cards.
3, 4, 5, 6. That's the order we'll go in.
Ace 2, 3, 4. It's in that order.
Oh geez.
Ace 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
All right, well aces. All right, who's 6?
Who got ace?
Yeah. We gotta match our numbers up.
All right, call out aces.
Who got ace?
Bud Light kick in. All right, we're in the pile.
Where's the other ace?
What other ace? Block got the other ace.
So don't feel bad. Shit, hell, I made a good hit.
Black is right lane?
Black is left
You
lane.
got left lane.
All right, y'all keep up with the lanes you got.
Block. What lane you want?
I'm gonna take the left lane, I guess. Hell, I didn't
Red
make
is
it.
right.
All right, who's got the deuces?
Yeah, we running first round right there.
Red is right. He
There you
don't
go.
know the lanes. He just gets smacked.
Yeah, I just run these races.
What you got? Huh? What you got? Which car you got?
Got a Mustang at the back. Killer Gorilla.
Killer Gorilla. Okay, very good. Good luck, sir.
brother.
Yes, sir. We'll be right back. All right, so here we go. So what we got going on, just making sure all this stuff is enabled. This is how I'm able to do a trans brake burnout at a higher RPM than what I leave at. Basically, this is my rolling 2-step, but I activate it when my boost scramble is on. So I have to turn my boost scramble on, go on the trans brake button. And when I do that, then it adds 800 RPM to my launch RPM. So today, it looks pretty decent. We're gonna leave about like 3,500 RPM, couple pounds of boost, and we'll see how it takes it and goes. We got a pretty slow ramp in it, so hopefully it'll take it and going out there. We ended up with 16 cars, so we got $800 purse. So we're gonna try to win that. We'll see how the Hughes converter does. This will be the first real test for the converter. Last time we were at the no prep, it was on the track, it was smooth. It was kind of leftover prep is what we've been calling it. So it's not true, it was no prep, but it wasn't true no prep. We also got the QA1s adjusted. There again, we got our mod series shocks. You can see we don't have any weight on the rear end today. We got 100 pounds in the trunk, and then we've got 50, 60, 70, 75 pounds on the back here, I think it is. So actually no, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We got 90 pounds on the back. So Milton's getting air pressure. Where are you setting air pressure at? 10. So 10 pounds of air pressure. That ought to go. This tune-up, leaving on a couple pounds of boost, it ought to go down track. What do you think? Off the trailer for us. There's a couple people that have made some passes, and there's a couple people that said that, you know, they want an extra pass, but it's already after 10 o'clock. So if we wait too long, it's going to be a very, very late night. which we ain't racing tomorrow, so I mean, it don't look like we're gonna get any dew tonight. So I mean, we should be good to race. We'll race all night. All right, here we go. We just pushed up. Let's just see what we got a race over here. Good luck, sir. Be careful. Be careful. Are you nitrous car or turbo car?
Hey, this is on small block Chevrolet.
Okay.
That's all it is.
Nitrous or motor?
No, just all motor.
Oh, it's all motor?
All motor.
Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. Well, good luck. Be careful.
Yeah, man, you too.
Drive safe.
Well, they making them big.
All right, guys, we got the win there, but it was skating around down track a little bit. It went pretty fast early. We're fixing to pull the data log. We have not pulled the data log yet, but I had to drive it a little bit down there. We might have a little bit too much power on it down track. It is sketchy out there. I mean, there's like nothing out there at all, which I think this is their first back of the track race that they've had. So, I mean, there's like nothing there, and you can see in the video, it's black tracking. All right, here we go. We made it to second round, got through first round. So now we're drawing.
Y'all ready?
There you go.
I'll take that one from you.
Oh, it's the last one.
What we got?
Left lane, first one.
Where's my ace?
Turbo John. Turbo John.
Where's the other ace? Right behind you.
Oh, there you go. I was like, come on, where at?
You got right lane, left lane?
I got left lane.
Left lane.
Okay.
Yep. Which car you got?
Twos.
Fast Pro mod.
Pro mod.
Little F body.
Okay. All right, guys. So we just come in here, and our shocks were on 4, so they're very loose. But what we did, if you look at the video, if you go back and look at it, it kind of jumped off of that asphalt, and then when it hits the concrete, the car kind of bounces. We're going to loosen them both 2 clicks under rebound and the compression. Milton thinks we can drive through it. I'm thinking we might need to pedal, so we'll get up there and make a last minute decision. But loosening the shocks up may help it so that it will absorb. And because what happened is it come off, it jumped off, and then it compressed the tire because the compression was so hard, and then it bounced the tire, and that's where it really lost the tire. It didn't lose it terrible, but it did lose it and smoke it a little bit. So we're gonna see if we can drive through it. All right, guys, here we go. Second round coming up. Nitrous Camaro, I think it is. So this is who we got first round. Second round. Oh, it's a nice car. I like it. Oh, I'm sorry.
After I beat Turbo John, I'll be right back down here.
Good luck, Kurt.
All right.
Let's see you.